Hi guys, welcome back to the show. I'm Xiao Gang. It's been a while since last video. Today just wanna do a quick unboxing and a quick review of one of my new collection, the Seiko Presage limited edition. This is the stunning. I don't know what dial is that, but definitely is a blue. I think it's a limited edition. So let's get started. Very nice Seiko paperback. I found this stunning baby when the time I'm vacation over the Taiwan. The price is around 1,002 ringgit Malaysia. So I'm not really sure this is considered as expensive or cheap, but the price I get is around it's exactly 1,002, almost 1,002 ringgit Malaysia. So this is the packaging I get. It's very nice. Seiko. This is the outer box. You got a Japan word behind, but the box is definitely made in China. Yeah, very nice. Just a very soft box. Okay, we put it aside. Okay, so this is the instruction booklet. Okay, and this is the guarantee, worldwide guarantee booklet. Very nice. This is Seiko Presage. You know, the feel is more premium compared with those regular the box. This is a little bit more bigger and heavier. Definitely very nice feel. Made in China. See, the material of the box is engraved behind. Very nice. Alright, let's see. Oh, nice. Okay, so what I got here. Okay, very nice. Cocktail Starlight limited edition model. Very nice. Inspired by Starbucks original cocktail. Very nice. Owner of Starbucks Ginza Cradle Star. It's very nice. Big fat fella. Right, let's put it aside. Very nice. Seiko Presage limited edition. Oops. Nice. Caliber 4R35. Right. Very nice. SRPC01J1, or I don't know, maybe it's SRPC0IJI. Not really sure. 23 joules caliber 4R35. It's very nice. Water resistance up to 50 meters. 5 bar. Very nice. Let's take this out. Okay. This is the caliber 4R35. It's about 41 hour power reserve. Yes. 21600 bits per hour. Seiko has been used. This caliber is so many years. It's robust, reliable, nothing to worry. Very nice. It's gold rotor. Very nice. See, you can see over here, made in Japan. Very nice. Limited edition. Okay. The leather strap is feel very premium, very soft, very nice. This butterfly clasp over is using with this leather strap, very nice. It's very stunning. The dial is very nice. As you can see, the minute hands and hour hands, is one side is on brush polish and the other side is high polish. So it's make like you know, it stand out the characteristics of this watch. Very nice. The dial, stunning. The outer is, the outline is a little bit dark blue or purple, I don't know, yeah, but going to the middle, it's a little bit, it's going become very blue, very nice. What I love about this watch is the crown. It's very big. Some call it cupcake crown, and some call it is a onion crown. Yeah, whatever it is just nice, very nice. A big S logo, very nice. Thickness is just 11 millimeters. Yeah, and the lug width is 20 millimeters. Very nice. What I love about this watch is definitely the dial. I don't know, the feel, it's feel very premium. It's very premium. And the crown, yeah. So these two things is the features that I admire and I love about this watch. So let's try to wind it. We had a hacking second function over here. Very nice. This is a push-pull crown. Very nice. Let's put it on the wrist. Yeah. Yes. Very nice. $40 millimeters. Yes. The size is perfect. Not too big, not too small. Very nice. Alright, that's it. See you guys next time. Bye bye.